How to add end screen to YouTube video. To add end screen to your YouTube video, first of all, you must insert it. To insert this, you have to go ahead and log into the YouTube Studio on your desktop. Once you open it, you simply have to go ahead and log into your account, then click on the Contents tab on your desktop. And now once you're there, all you have to do is go ahead and then check or tap on the three-dotted menu icon right next to the video itself. From there, you should be able to access the editing panel. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is go ahead and locate the end screen option. However, this feature is not yet available for mobile devices, but if you are on desktop, you should be able to find it over there. And then you simply have to now go ahead and choose a template layout and then click on any element. Now you simply have to go ahead and adjust the timeline and save your changes. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.